Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial explain how to construct a hexagon using the inscribe cycle method. So if you want to construct a hexagon of 6 centimeter, the first thing you ought to do is to draw a horizontal line. So this is our horizontal line. Now the next step, you ought to open to 6 centimeter. So these are 6 centimeter right now. You will now draw a 6 centimeter. With your 6 centimeter, since you have a horizontal line already, you stand at this point, you cut an arc both at the upper and at the lower part of the cycle. You cut another arc, So now after cutting all the arc, you will now link them up to the origin, which is our horizontal line. So you first of all join the first line to each other. You also join this one to this point. You now come to this point, you now join them together. So this, you join them together. Also, you join this point to the origin. And then lastly, you join this together. So this is the easiest way to construct a hexagon. If this tutorial is helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.